We lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose our souls every day.
We have a vocabulary that's worldwide. I can talk to a physicist in the Ukraine about entropy or enthalpy, and they'll understand me immediately. In the social world, there's no vocabulary. So words like social context, what does it mean? It's not even clear. So I think of it as a man-made environment.
Man-made environment.
There's another word for it. Or more politically correct, person-made environment, but not man-made.
Okay, so the question is the difference between individual and
Yeah, they're different, and
it's
I'm not sure.
group yes, scale.
So let me ask you the question: if you're going out for a romantic dinner in a restaurant,
Yeah.
would you rather go to a restaurant where everybody is in tables of two, or would you like to sit next to a table with 30 people?
Yeah.
The behavior is different. When we're one-on-one, we behave better than we do in groups. That's the reason the distributions are different. That makes sense?
Yeah.
When,
So
when we get in groups, people do stupid things. They want to show off. They want attention. So group behaviors are different than individual behaviors.
особисті звички, тобто дії є інакшими від того, коли та сама особа йде в групу, і в тому різниця. Соціальний контекст.
Тобто вона краща в групі чи гірша?
That person is like try to be better in the group or worse about like worse. Actually.
Тобто в групі гірша? От це моє важливе.
We behave better one-on-one
Okay.
than we do in the group.
Okay.
And
Тобто те, що впливають, вона менше себе показує.
Because of the social context, people are
yeah,
like
exactly. So again, think about my example. Would you rather go to dinner in a restaurant where everybody is one-on-one, or would you like to sit next to a group of 30 people? I don't want to sit next to a group of 30 people if I want to have dinner with my wife. The people are obnoxious, they're noisy, behaving differently.
But yeah, but you mean that, for example, if me as a personality, I'm going to the group, that's how my behaviors could be like shown in the worst way, or yeah. So okay,
That's
so
right. Not all of us.
Yeah, so but it's not maybe like about something like better or worse. It's maybe about like intensivity. How to say like
I know what you mean.
Yes, of that particular behaviors. Yes, so like if now I have like strong signal. Yes, in the group, that signal could be like more let's say short. So. Yes.
Just people don't behave as well in the group.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I like this kind of graph, and what it's about is that this is the 4D system and the processes we're going to use, and this is your content. So every workshop is different. The reason people are doing their 20th workshop with me is they're all different. And so I think about walking up this line with their unique content. The first thing I do is I negotiate agreements, explain social context, then talk about emotions and storylines, how we combine those to make mindset. And then I do this personality diagnostic. There are 2 other diagnostics in the book, but I don't do them in workshops because the culture one is mostly useful for proposal teams, and the team mindset is only useful for project teams, where I did a lot of work with projects. But I find in regular workshops that taking time on those 2 things is not valuable, but you can read about them in the book. Yeah.
Perfect. Then thank you for your time.
See you.
And thank you for your jokes.